welcome Mr. Salman Khan. I'd like to hear a round of applause for a man. I think it's time to get the enthusiasm going, so I'm going to do this one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the face of the Indian Supercross Racing League, Bollywood megastar, youth icon, and the man who now flirts with dirt. I want to hear it once for Mr. Salman Khan. Everybody wants to hear from you. How does it feel to be over here, sir, today? Whoa! Put your hands together. That's what we're talking about.
ये दबंग फोर के लिए था. So I think this is amazing. Nana, I've known Ishan and Veer. In fact, Veer was named Veer after Veer, the film. Father Raju called me up and he said कि यार पिक्चर बहुत अच्छी लगी. तो ऐसे सिर्फ आप ही को अच्छी लगी, इसलिए वो मैं अपने बेटे का नाम वीर रखना चाहता हूँ. Just kidding. जब तक वी रिलीज हुई ये ऑलरेडी बाहर थे और मोटरसाइकिल पर थे. So I've known these guys for the longest time. So I remember I was doing a film called Race. और उसमें एक मोटरसाइकिल का सीक्वेंस था. So I got in touch with them. Remember that? And they came to teach me how to ride. I mean, I knew how to ride, so they were riding with me at the farm, and they also came to Thailand where we shot it. And ये थाईलैंड में मोटरसाइकिल से नहीं गिरे, लेकिन रात को एक दो बार ये गिर गया. Yeah, so you know, I've always been a rider, and hi baby, hi. I've always been a rider. Always liked when some cycle se leke motorcycle tak, and I really enjoy that. I can't do this often right now, but I still do ride at the farm. These guys have helped me make a track, so I ride on the track. अभी वो jumps वम्स नहीं करता मैं, because shooting पे भी जाना पड़ता है. कि थोड़ा सा गिरा गया तो 3-4 महीने, you know, not be able to shoot. Yeah. पूरे सेफ्टी गियर वगैरह से. See, I live in Bandra, and ये जो हाईवे जो है हमारा, ये जो हम लोग फिल्म सिटी थाना जिस पे जाते हैं, so there's this group of guys, lots of them, they ride bikes there, and for a little bit of money. And I myself have carried some 3-4 kids to the hospital, and इस हाईवे पर बहुत सारी deaths हुई because of racing. They race on the roads and between cars. So I just think that if you need to race, we have this now. Come aboard and practice with us and race with us for a larger sum of money and with proper gear. I think that racing on the road is not only safe for you but for other people as well. So अब ऐसी कोई टीम थी ही नहीं, ऐसा कोई क्लब था ही नहीं. अभी आ गया है ये Indian Supercross Racing League. So a lot of people can, you know, now join us and start racing professionally. Correct? That. और क्या बोलूँ मैं? क्या? हाँ? और क्या बोलूँ बस ना. मेरा बाइक एक्सपीरियंस, मेरे बाइक एक्सपीरियंसेस बहुत हैं मेरे बाइक एक्सपीरियंसेस. और एक आध दो बार गिरा भी हूँ. अरे एक मैं आपको एक किस्सा सुनाता हूँ. So I thought my father was upset with me one day, and he went to the farm. This is about time पहले की बात है. और मेरे पास उस वक्त एक हायाबुसा हुआ करती थी. So I said, चलो, I have to go to the farm and apologize to him. So I rode there. Now while I was riding, I was not wearing a helmet, and my cap was ulta, and my cap flew. And I said, Bapre, this is not the way to ride at all. And then I rode very slowly at 35, 40 kilometers an hour. And I reached the farm. I took a left turn and the bike skidded. And we went into the jungle. I tried to pick up the bike. I couldn't pick up the bike. Then my car came behind me. We all picked up the bike. Got the bike on the road again. Started riding again. Took a right turn and the bike skidded again. There's a lot of gravel there. Anyway, यहाँ से पूरा छिल गया था, pink हो गया था. So I went ahead. Went to see my father. He said, "अरे, तुम इधर क्या कर रहे हो?" I said, "No, I just thought that you were upset with me." He said, "नहीं, मैं तो farm पे आ रहा था." तो he said, "अच्छा, तुम आ गए यहाँ पे?" He said, "क्या हुआ?" I said, "कुछ नहीं, वो बहुत सारा gravel था और skid हो गया मैं." तो he said, "कितनी बार?" इस तरफ भी, इस तरफ भी. He said, 2 बार. He said, "तुमको बाइक पे चलाने आती नहीं है, तो तुम काय को चलाते हो यार?" तो he said, "लाओ, मेरी बाइक निकालो." So we got his Triumph 100, Tiger 100, and then he rode it, and then I took another bike, and me and my father went for a long ride in the night at the farm. So that was a really good experience that I had. वो heal होने में कुछ काफी time लगा. Thank God no bones were broken, but it was a good experience.
A memorable experience, sir.
And I remember one more experience is that when I learned how to ride a cycle. So my father got me a cycle for 25 paisa for an hour. Ka bhada. I must have been 4 or 5. So he was holding me. He was holding the seat, and he took me ahead. And I thought he was still holding me. And so we used to live in Old Kanpuri at that point of time. So there was a small patch. So I went ahead, I took a turn, I came back, and I saw him standing in front of me. I realized that, oh shit, he's not holding me. And I came right next to him and I fell. Because I thought that he was holding me, so that support was there. You know, that confidence of my father holding me was there. And I fell, and my father looked at me and said, "देखो, चलाते रहो, उठो और चलाओ." तो एक पिलर का हाथ होना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है आपके पीछे. वही आपको confidence देता है. Like what my father did for me.
Right, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Salman Khan, of course, man with the stories. It is now time that I would want to request Veer and Ishan to present Salman Bhai with the ISRL official number plate, and I would request Bhai to please sign the number plate as well.
Forever 27.
The signed number plate, ladies and gentlemen. This is the ISRL official number plate, and it is now time to reveal the jersey that represents it all. Presenting the official ISRL jersey to Mr. Salman Khan. Let the flashbulbs crack as we unveil the official ISRL jersey. And I request everyone present to please put your hands together as we see the official ISRL jersey for the very first time.
They're getting to connect with audiences in a very fresh and new format.
Absolutely, right. Salman Bhai, my next question was to you.
Yeah, I'm standing.
Yeah, okay.
I don't want to sit.
All right, okay, sure.
I don't like sitting.
Should we also stand? I think then let's do this without the chairs, right? All right, now, so I want to know that.
जरूरी है कि अगर आदमी बैठेगा तो बैठ ही जाएगा. खड़ा रहना जरूरी है.
Bilkul, sir. Season 2 ISRL. I think this everybody in the room wants to know. Are we seeing you at the races?
Yes, for sure.
100%?
Yeah, 100%, because I want to be, don't want to be seen at the races, but I want to see the races.
Salman Bhai will definitely be there. You know, it's an exciting time for all of us. You know, put your hands together because yes, season 2, we're going to see Salman Bhai at the races every single time. Now, moving on, Veer, I know that, you know, you
Side
wear...
में मम्मी है. कहा था ना, बेटी माँ पर गई है. लेकिन ये कैसा हो गया भाई? मतलब
Supercross over there as well. I'm going to ask you, yes.
सुपर क्रॉस तो वो है भाई. वो क्रॉस देखो.
Right. Moving on, Veer, I'll come to you. you know, you wear a lot of hats. What is more difficult, racing Supercross?
मम्मी ने
or-
डैडी को बताया हाँ तुमने बहुत मेहनत लगी
Coming back to you, right? You wear a lot of hats. Which one is tougher? Which is more difficult? Is it racing Supercross or running the league?
I think
Handling me.
Handling you?
that is definitely there. I think racing Supercross is tougher on the body, and running ISRL is tougher on my sleep, time, and peace of mind. So definitely, running ISRL is difficult.
Is more difficult, right? Salman bhai, I'm going to come to you.
I've got a question.
Yeah, sure.
भाई साहब आप मुझे बताओ कि बच्ची हो गई है आपकी हाँ लेकिन अभी भी एक्साइटमेंट के शादी हो गई बच गया ये चल रहा है कि नहीं माइंड में हाँ चल रहा है ना
Old friends uniting, ladies and gentlemen, over here. But sir, I'm going to come back to you.
Indian Supercross Racing League outside my league my wife
Outside your league is over there. The league is over here.
there is a God he proves it
There is a Lord. I'm going to come back to you, sir. On the
no.
league that is within us, not the league that is outside.
I'm lost now
You're lost. Oh, man. All right.
कमाल है यार तेरी भी हो गई
The star of the show, ladies and gentlemen, is over there today. Yeah? Out of Salman Khan's league is saying something about the lady. But the question is, I would like to also want to know from you, is now here.
ये तो जिंदगी की रेस में बहुत आगे निकल गया हम लोग इंडियन सुपरक्रॉस रेसिंग लीग की बात कर रहे हैं
Oh, man.
By the way, one of the first races. Yeah,
October.
October.
Right. So, you know, ISRL के format के बारे में, what excites you the most, Salman bhai? Is it the racing, the business, or the energy?
What?
What excites you the most about the ISRL format?
What is ISRL for?
ISRL. Indian Supercross Racing League. Yeah.
Supercross.
We'll come back.
He excites me the most about this format.
We got to get him into the league. I think
He's
that is
above our league.
already part of
No,
it.
so what excites me the most is that these guys have done a fantastic job. It is going to be on an international level. With pura safety, the bikes are going to be the best super bikes that you could ever see. And even international riders are going to be here. So this is going to be एक ऊपर का level का.
That, okay. And, you know, of course, the fans love seeing you on screen. Any chance in the near future you plan to make a movie on motorsport?
ऐसी कोई स्क्रिप्ट मिलनी चाहिए. But I would want to ride on their tracks.